Hello friends, welcome back one more time on my YouTube channel Dr. Nilesh Advice. I hope you must be healthy, happy, hearty, fit and fine. This is the third video of the series how to start the food in the children. In the first video what we have seen is the basic principle of starting the food. How we can transit from the milk to the solid food, how we can make the food liquid, then semi-solid, then solid. We divided the phase of first year in the three part and how we can introduce a food that we have discussed in first video. In the second video, I have mentioned the specific food like the grains, how to start the grains, and the eggs, when to introduce and how to introduce, how much water to be given. All those things I have included in the second video. This is the third video. In this video, I am going to show you sample menu. In this video, I am going to show you the diet chart, or I can say it as a sample menu. So this will give you the basic guide that how you can introduce the food. It will give you the small examples that which are the food you can introduce. It is not very tightly regulated, the sample chart. You have to change as per your child's behavior, as per your child's liking, disliking, as per your child's understanding, as per your child's mood, you can change it. But this will provide you little bit basic idea that how you can give the food to you. So without wasting time, let me take you to the whiteboard so that you can understand how to make the sample menu for your child. Today we will discuss how to start feeding in the children, sample menu or the diet chart. How to start feeding. 6 months of age we will start the feeding in the children. 6 months to 1 year is the time we can change the child from the milk to the solid food. Let's divide this part in 3 phases. 6 month to 8 month, 8 month to 10 month, 10 month to 12 month. 6 to 8 month we will start more like the liquid items like rice water, dal water, some soup. 8 to 10 months we will keep semi-solid items like the pureed food, mashed potato, banana, etc. 10 to 12 month we will make little thick food, best kind of the food we can introduce. 6 to 8 month breast milk or the formula milk we can give 4 to 6 times. Grains, bread, crackers, 2 to 3 servings. Fruits, vegetable, 1 to 2 servings. Protein food like the eggs, butter, half to 1 servings. 8 to 10 month, breast milk 3 to 4 times, grains like the breads, cereals 2 to 3 servings, fruits and vegetables 2 to 3 servings, egg once or twice in a day. (10 to 12 month, breastfeeding 1 to 2 times or 3 to 4 times, grains you can give 4 times in a day, where you can include like the bread, cereal, pasta, Cerelac, etc. Fruits you can give 4 to 5 times in a day. And last one, proteins you can give 2 times in a day. Let us see diet menu of 8 to 12 month age child. 6 to 8 month child will be more on the liquid, and by 8 month child will be more on the semi solid. Requirement of 8 to 10 month child is around 800 to 900 calorie. So I will describe it either in the cup quantity or in the ounce quantity. 1 cup is equal to 200 to 240 ml. 1 ounce is equal to 30 ml. So let's divide the day of the child. First servings will be quarter cup cereal or egg, quarter cup fruit. You have to dice the fruit or mash the fruit. Around 120 or 180 ml milk or breastfeeding. Then second servings somewhere around after the breakfast, which include 1/4 cup of cooked vegetable or cereals and 120 ml approximately milk. Third one we can consider as like the lunch time. 1/4 curd or the yogurt. 1/4 you can add some yellow fruits like the oranges, and 120 to 140 milk or the breastfeeding. Fourth one you can say afternoon snack, where you can give 1/4 yogurt or the curd and the fruits which you like, make it paste or the mashed. Fifth one which you can consider as a dinner, where you can give 1/4 green veg in the paste consistency. 1/4 you can put like the potato, rice, and 1/4 you can put the fruit and 120 ml milk. Last one, which is before sleep, you can give the milk somewhere around 120 to 140 ml, and after giving the milk you have to clean the gum and the teeth of the child, otherwise tooth decay will be there. So this is a sample basic menu which you can prepare The varieties can be added as and when required, like the fruits one by one you can add as per the child's liking and the disliking. Vegetables you can keep one by one which child likes, but you have to prepare it in a mashed form or the slush form. Potato rice can be introduced at any age, but starting from around 8 months of age, if you will introduce, that will be better. You have to reduce the milk as the baby's age progresses. So as the child approaches to 1 year, the milk should be somewhere around 300 to 400 ml only. Thank you very much. I hope this video must be useful to you. If you like it, press the like button, share with the parents, share with the new parents who wants to know that how to start the food in the children. And if you are first time on my YouTube channel, subscribe as well. Thank you very much.